أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn the lesson number 10 of Madani Qaida, which comprises all the previous lesson like harkat, tanween, the letters of madda, vertical harkat and the letters of leen. We comprises all the previous lesson in this lesson. So this lesson is about hijjay. We doing hijjay in this lesson. While doing hijjay, join every letter to the letter coming before. Join every letter to the letter coming before. For example, like this, the first one word, which is this. First word comprises the three letters. The first one letter is qaf, the next letter is alif, and the third one and last one is lam. Qaf, alif, and lam. Now we join these three letters together to make one word. So the first one letter is qaf. The sound of qaf is qa, qa. The sound of alif is a, a. The sound of lam is la, la. So we comprises these three sounds of these three words. We use sounds in the Quran Pak, not pronunciation. We only use sounds. So the sound of qaf, alif and lam is qa, a, la. So we will see the harkat on these letters. The first one word is qaf and the harkat on qaf is fatha. Qaf, alif, fatha, qa, lam, fatha, la, qa, la. We join these two sounds qala, 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 qala. Alif has no sign, no harkat, so it mixes with qaf and we stretch qaf a little bit. Qala, qaf, alif, fatha, qa, lam, fatha, la, qala. The next one word is this. This word comprises with four letters. The first one letter is swad, the second letter is ra, the third letter is alif, and the fourth letter is ta. Swad, ra, alif, ta. Now, as you know, we use sounds ska, ra, ta, ska, swad. Now we see the harkat on these four letters. Sqad has qasra sign, sqi, sqad qasra, sqi. Ra has fatha sign, ra, fatha, ra, sqi, ra. Two letters joined together, sqi, ra. Now the third one is alif. Alif has no sign, so we mix alif with the ra and stretch the ra a little bit. Sqi, ra, sqad, qasra, sqi, ra, alif, fatha, ra, sira. Now the fourth word is ta, and ta has only fatha sign, so which sounds ta, ta, fatha, ta. The previous word is sirata, sirata, sirata. The third one word is this, and this word contains three letters. The first one letter is ha, the second letter is the. It's not za, it's the pronounced softly. This one the will pronounce from the tip of the tongue touching the inner edges of the top two front teeth. Zal pronounced softly. Ha. And third one word is alif, alif. Alif, as you know, alif has no sign, so it mixes with the and we stretch the a little bit. So the first letter ha has standing fatha sign, mean vertical fatha sign. So as you know, when the vertical fatha sign comes, we stretch a word up to one alif or up to two harkat. Okay, so we stretch ha, ha, vertical fatha, ha, dal, alif fatha, za, ha, za. We stretched both of them. Ha because ha has vertical fatha and dal has alif. So we stretch both of them a little bit up to two alif or up to two harkat. Hada, like this. So this lesson is enough. Allah Hafiz.